In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Cool Music Bot to play Spotify and SoundCloud on Discord. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to Discord on desktop or the browser and that you have permission to add apps to the server you want to use. If you don't have the managed server permission, ask a server admin to follow along or grant you access. Start by opening Discord and heading to the server where you want music playback. Once you're there, look for the app directory in the left sidebar. This is Discord's official marketplace for bots and apps. Open it, then use the search bar at the top and type Cool Music. In the results, click the Cool Music app to open its profile page. This page shows you what the bot can do and what permissions it needs. On the app page, click Add App. Next, choose Add to Server and a drop-down will appear. Select your server from the list, then confirm your choice. If you see the server selection more than once, pick the same server and continue. When Discord shows the permission screen, take a quick look at what the bot is asking for. Things like joining voice channels and reading messages are required for music features. Click Continue, then Authorize to approve. If a verification prompt appears, click the highlighted button to complete the check. You may also see an invite confirmation. Click Accept Invite to finalize the setup. At this point, Cool Music is added to your server. Now let's play something. Go to a text channel in your server and click the message box. Type play and you'll see the command options pop up. Choose the play command, then either paste a link from Spotify or SoundCloud or type the name of the track, playlist or artist you want. Pick the result that matches what you're looking for, press enter to send the command, and the bot will handle the rest. If you're already in a voice channel, it will join you and start playing. If not, join a voice channel so you can hear the music. You can repeat the command to cue more songs, and most bots support additional / commands like pause, skip, or stop, which you'll find by typing a / and browsing the list. That's it. Your server is now ready to stream from Spotify and SoundCloud using Cool Music. Enjoy the music, and if anything doesn't work, double-check permissions, complete the verification step again, or re-add the app from the directory. Happy listening.